Here we go.
That was very drunk.
Lads, just into this lens for one. Just into this lens for one. Here we go. Right, lads, here we go. Here we go.
In the car with my daughter and her boyfriend and my wife, and I got a phone call from a lad that only rings me about once every year, and he said, you'll have to win on the lottery. And I says, you must be joking, because I said, we have the 2 bonus numbers, that's all the numbers we have. And I said, that's 1 and 10. And I drove into the garage, and when I seen the sheet, I thought it was 9 and 10, not 1 and 10. And when they told me it was, I had to put me sitting down. We never had, this is our first money we took from the syndicate. When at Christmas time we used to have it in a pool, and at Christmas time we used to, if there was one of the lads out sick or had a bereavement in the family, we'd make a collection among ourselves, and we'd put whatever we had in the kitty and we give it to them as a donation for that's what we do. This is our first win. This is money we're going to have for ourselves.
Yes,
what do you plan to do with the winning?
I don't know yet. We're going to take a while to sit and think and see what we do, or just take a few days back and see what happens.
Will you be going back to work?
Yes.
We will be going back to work, yeah.
All of the 22 winners?
Yes.
As far as I know.
One of the lads retired last January, and he paid up to November. So he was lucky. He was lucky. The management of Dublin Bus, couldn't praise them more, the way they looked after us for the last couple of days. And I want to thank Dublin Bus for giving me a good career in Dublin Bus. I haven't long left, and I want to thank Dublin Bus.
Where's the check?